don't make rush decisions on impulse. Every impulse decision I've made has absolutely shafted me in the business. I can name dozens. On my way to kickboxing. Let's go. It is 5:52. Takes about 6 minutes to get there. Eating some waffles. Raw doggy. Fuck it. Blueberry. Quick smash. Cold shower number 41 done. Had a good day. Had a good start to the day. Did some kickboxing. Today's class was fun. We worked with a partner and we were just kind of punching each other and doing a little bit of a drill where I, jab, parry, and then hook cross. Different types of drills with the partner. It was fun. So today I'll talk about just the skill on not to rush things and make rushed decisions. I think is very important. For example, a couple months back, my Tormac machine, the motor blew like twice. There was almost in the span of 4 months, the motor blew because it wasn't sealed properly and the design is shit. So it has, if you don't seal it properly, there's like coolant can easily go into the motor and fry it. So the motor got fried and my machine was down. Had to pay to fix it, do all that, and ended up fixing it, but then the motor firmware wasn't loaded properly and then the machine crashed. But at the end of the day, I was really pressured to get a new machine. We will get a new machine eventually, but I was really pressured to get one because this machine was breaking down. And then in the end, I just said, nah. Haas, I contacted Haas. They did get me approved for financing, and I could have just sent them the quote and got the machine. I was heavily debating it. I thought about it and I said, nah, it's stupid. Because I envisioned me being in the exact same scenario I am now, with very little orders. And if I had gotten a second machine, I'd be sitting there idle, making payments on that for 2 or 3 months before getting any work. January, February are very slow. March it starts to pick up. And I'm really working to get more customers, but that's how it's been for the past 3 years. So I just decided not to get that machine, and we fixed up the Tormac, we ran it. Now, with the car, I was also in the same position when buying this new car, and I thought about it, but then instead of just doing an impulse decision, I actually ran the numbers. And the reason I bought it so quickly is because trading in my old car and selling my old car, doing all of that, it would return me the money back after I paid off the loan eventually. So I bought this new car for $1,700, and it was about $200, maybe $500 of expenses because I had to get the smog redone, I had to get the DMV paperwork, everything done, and then I had to buy some parts and stuff to fix a small issue. Let's say $500. So in total, cost me $2,200. Right now, my insurance is $65 a month. With that old car, my payment every month was $400. and my insurance was $188. And then after I sold that car, I got $1,800 back. So after selling that car, I got $1,800 back, and on top of that, I don't have a monthly payment, and my insurance is now $65 a month. So in total, I calculated I would save, if I did this deal as soon as possible, I bought this and sold the car over the course of the 11 months, I would save about $8,000. Just from the payments, the insurance, etc. Or 6 to 8,000, I think. Also gas. Mercedes, you have to do premium gas and everything, right? And then servicing, because that car, I would had to do about $3,000 worth of servicing this year because it's leaking coolant and then a bunch of other stuff. And the whole point of this is make informed decisions. Don't make rushed decisions. Make informed decisions and then make the informed decisions quickly. But don't make rushed decisions on impulse. Every impulse decision I've made has absolutely shafted me in the business. I can name dozens in the first 2-3 years. And now when I was in that situation, because I've already been in, there's so many stories I have, maybe I'll talk about them, but every time I made an impulse decision, I didn't really sit down with the spreadsheet, look at the numbers, and calculate it out. It's always really messed up my business. And I've lost a lot of money. So as a business owner, you got to make the right decisions. And I pray to God every day. I ask him, look, help me. Please help me make the right decisions. Please give me wisdom. Please give me strength and give me courage so I don't make these decisions out of cowardice and out of impulse. And I'm learning that now. So that's the moral of this cold shower thought, is don't make impulse decisions. Think about what you're doing, especially if there's a lot of money on the line. Yeah. All right, so today is just gonna be a regular day. Gonna go to work. Gotta get ready, go to work, and yeah, same old. Continuing emailing. I got those lists, so I'll add all of those to my cold email campaign and keep going from there. Got to add all the products to Amazon. Still doing that. Let's see. MD&M West show is next week too. I'm not gonna go this year. I didn't go last year. I think next year I'm gonna buy a booth and go. I mean, that show kicked off my whole business in general. So I'm gonna go. Now, I mean, the video is getting a little long, so I might not really film anymore. So this may be the last segment. But I'll keep you guys updated. 41 days. It's been definitely an interesting journey so far. I mean, I didn't think I would start filming content. Now I just do it every single day. But I think it can be a very interesting channel. I mean, CNC machining, we could add kickboxing content, we could add car repair content, we could add personal development content. I mean, there could be a whole bunch of interesting things on this channel. So, yeah. Alright guys, I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace.